Today, let us discuss about Chevai dosha. It's a very hot topic. And one important thing is, of late I am getting lot of horoscope for matching. There has been a discrepancy where I am saying it's Chevai dosha. They say there is no Chevai dosha. What is Chevai dosha? Why we insist on saying Chevai dosha is there? Chevai dosham is there when the planet Mars or Kuja is in 2nd house, 4th house, 7th house, 8th house and 12th house. More importantly in 7th house, 8th house and 12th house. What is Chevai dosha? Mars is a very fiery planet. It's an aggressive planet. So when Mars is in the 7th house, for instance Mars is in the 2nd house, their speech will be very harsh. Whatever they speak will be very blunt. It will hit the people and it will pain them. When Mars is in the 4th house, their anger has no bounds. Their anger will be in one extreme or the positive mode will be in another extreme. But more to do with the anger. Now when Mars is in the 7th house or 8th house, the sexual energy and the marriage or the dominancy in the marriage will be high, where it will become very difficult to control it. When Mars is in the 12th house, they cannot stay in the house. They tend to move it again and again and again. The traveling will be excess or the spending will be excess. Their activity will not match with the reality. That's why they say Mars is in 2, 4, 7, 8 and 12. It is called as Chevai dosha. Indian rishis say when two minuses merge it becomes plus. So if there is a Chevai dosha, we have to match with another person with the Chevai dosha. That is the concept. Now if Mars is in 2, 4, 7, 8 and 12, if it is in their own house of Mesha or Vrichika, if it is in the Ucha Nicha of Kataka and Makara, then Chevai dosham doesn't exist. And people say that if Jupiter aspects Mars, Chevai dosham doesn't exist. It doesn't matter at all. Because when you do the remedies, the Chevai dosham will come down. What is more scary is if Mars is with Rahu. That is what is more scary. Now, Chevai dosham, how to clear it? Because for boys, it doesn't matter. For girls, they take it as a big point, keep it and say they reject the horoscope. Now, what to do it? First, you have to please Lord Mars or the Kuja. What to do it? You have to do regularly Abhisheka and the Puja for Mars, so that the aggressive nature of the person, wherever the Mars is in the Chevai dosham, in the horoscope, it calms down slowly. Because for Mars, the two important thing is the Naivedya and the Abhisheka. So you do the proper Naivedya and proper Abhisheka, the impact of the Mars or the Kuja dosha will come down slowly and slowly. In this world or in this universe, there are a lot of problems. Do you have a solution to this problem? Yes. Should you suffer with this problem? No. So the biggest solution for Chevai dosham is doing the prayers for Mars. Why? There is another possibility. When Mars is afflicted, we tell them that land's issues will get aggravated, or they should not stay in their own house. But with the Chevai dosham, it is more to do with the marriage. Now when you are supposed to match, when like you like the girl or you like the boy, now the boy or the girl has the Chevai dosha, what to do it? Very simple. Keep the Muhurta in a very good time. Ultimately that matters the most. Parents, please check. Chevai dosham, yes, fine. But is Mars is with Rahu and Ketu. If the 7th Lord Mars is with Rahu and Ketu, that is most dangerous. Next, again and again you have to do the re-muhurta or the remarriage. If suppose the affliction is huge, the boy and the girl, the affliction is huge. Chevai dosham, for instance, Mesha Lagna and 7th Lord Venus and Mars and Rahu, in the Tula it is considered as more diabolic than the Chevai dosham itself. In that case, you have to do multiple times remarriage for the same person in the good muhurta. As you do this, you can see the marriage becoming stronger and stronger, and also the Chevai dosha will not show any impact. So if you have, or if your people whom you know have Chevai dosha, please do ritual for Lord Mars or Kuja. You can see good change or good release of the negative energy. Thank you. Please share the video and also subscribe to my channel.